Okay, guys, so today we are starting our German A1 series, and first of all, we will be discussing the content of German A1, like what we will be studying throughout the course, and let me give you an overview or idea about that. First of all, we will be covering the alphabets. Okay, first of all, we will be covering alphabets, then we are having a counting, then introduction, then greetings, then common phrases, then reading rules, then sentence structure, of course, which is commonly, and then personal pronoun, then verb and verb conjugation, types of verb, time, articles, definite, indefinite, negative, possessive, and interrogative. These are type of articles. These are here. Okay, after that, the main thing in German, which are cases in German, nominative, dative, and accusative. These three are the cases, which is very important to learn these cases to do German A1 course. After that, we will discussing adjective and adverbs, and then A1 connectors, imperative sentences, preposition. Then, of course, we are having in the end tenses like present perfect tense, present and simple past tense. As you know, in also English, we are having all these things like in the English, we also discuss alphabets, counting, common phrases, reading good verbs, and of course time and adjective verb tenses. So same as in German, we also discussing tenses, and in the end we will also having A1 vocabulary. As for any language, we need vocabulary to learn or to write or to speak to read anything, but we need vocabulary, good vocabulary. After it, in end, are having test modules. So, first of all, what is test modules? So, we are having four test modules in the German A1. These are the four test modules. So, basically, in IELTS test, as compared to German A1 or IELTS, we are having comparing. We are both comparing these tests. Basically, basically, IELTS test also having listening test, okay, reading test, writing test, and speaking test. And same as IELTS test, we are in German also we are having a Horen test. Horen test means listening test. Then we are having Lesen test. Lesen test means reading test. We are having writing. Writing test means Schreiben. And then we are having speaking test, which also means Sprachen test. Okay, so this is all about German A1. And in the end, let me give you one thing to discuss, which is let me. So basically, what the thing is that basically we are having A1 course, A2 course, B1 course, B2 course, C1 course, C3 course. Okay, so if any person is learning German language, so he or she need these six types of course. Like this is not course, this is a level. Okay, like A1 level, A2 level, B1 level, B2 level. So today we are starting as a beginner level, which is A1 level, and maybe in future on the in coming days or coming month we will be going through A2 and B1 also, but I'm not sure that. But right now A1 is a basic level, as in English we discuss all the things. So A1 is a basic language or basics of German, and A2 is a bit advanced, and A1 and B1 and B2 is a fluent language or fluent, which are the people living in German, and C1 and C3 is like full advanced language or level of German. Okay, so thank you, and let's see you in another video.